All right, today's first event is paper airplane cornhole. So for this event, you're gonna need 3 pieces of paper and a hamper, clothes hamper, garbage can, any type of big container. And I'll show you how I make a paper airplane. You can make it however you want, but this is how I make it. I need a slice of paper, fold it in half the long way, line up the corners and the edges, and make my crease. Open it up, grab one of the top corners, bring it to that center line where you can see my first fold was. Do the same thing so it is symmetrical. And now I'm going to be folding these triangles again. So bringing this side in to the center, bringing the other side in to the center, and then I fold her in half. Here is where you make your own design, where you're going to fold the wing. Every place you fold it, no matter where you fold it, you want to make sure that it's the same on the other side. You might want to test out a couple designs before you start, but I'm going to make 3 airplanes and then we're going to continue. All right, folks, here are my 2 athletes for today. In the black shirt, Owen Donkey Casey. And in the red shirt, Caroline, always making too much noise, Casey. So for this event, the camera went sideways on me. For this event, we're going to be 10 steps back from our hamper with our 3 airplanes, and we're going to try to throw the paper airplanes into the hamper. Oh man. Hey, Ben, get back here with that. My dog just stole my airplane. If you hit the hamper, you get 1 point. If you make it in the hamper, you get 2 points. And for this event, and all of the events for today, you get 1 minute to score as many as you can. Owen, are you ready? You have to throw from behind the weight. Here are your airplanes. On your mark. Get set. Go. You stand up. You stand up. Stand up, buddy. And after you throw all 3, you're going to go pick them up. Come on. Let's go. Go. Come on, Donkey. Go pick them up. Pick them up. Pick them up. Go, go, go. All right. You still got 40 more seconds. Go. Good job, good job. Oh, close. 30 more seconds. Go get him, go get him. Caroline, you know what you're doing next. Play some music for Owen. Point. 7, 6, 5,